are routing the power. So I was able to get a Phillips head going through this grommet here. As you can see, I got the wire coming through right here. I can fish that through, and I'm gonna run it right along the side of the door sill. And we have power. Now this part pops up. We're gonna run the power and remote wire through the bottom into the back. Boom. Wire ran across the bottom. You could probably put wire loom if you want to clean it up more, but I just have it running through here, zip tie through there, and run through that. We just kind of pinch the fuse. You could probably use a fuse tap if you'd like as well, but this is where we have it currently, into this fuse, and we got it routed underneath, going back, and then you have your power going right back to that firewall. Installed, and boom shakalaka, and there she is. So I just have the controller mounted up here, and you can just see the harness is right here. You know, like I said, huge shout out to Nick. So the good thing about this system is we didn't have to use a line out converter. So basically, as you can see, you know, Nick did such a super clean job in the wiring. And the remote, the blue wire, we tap that into a front fuse box, which I will show. So basically when the ignition or the car is on, you know, this will be powered on and ready to go.